Hey Chris, I'm working on that application that we were talking about yesterday, and I just seem to be having an issue with the Flex tool.
What's the issue? I can probably help you from here.
Well, the tool seems to be not pulling to enough force, but it's a blind application, so I'm not 100% sure if that's the case.
Have you tested the tool with the calibration unit to check the pulling force?
No, I haven't. That's a great idea. I haven't used one yet, so what do I do?
Turn the unit on and make sure you have the same headset on the calibration unit as the Flex 5 tool.
Good, Chris. Now what?
Just pull your tool into the unit and check the pulling force.
Okay, I'll give it a try now. Oh wow, 4,300. That seems a little low.
Yeah, look like we need to adjust the tool. For the applications you're working on, I think we need about 7,500 Newton force.
All right, I've made the tool adjustments. Let's see how it is. All right, 7,536. Perfect.
Great. You want to use this periodically to check if the tool is pulling at the same force all the time. This will ensure proper installations.
Great, thanks, Chris. That was super easy. I really appreciate the help on that.
Sounds good, Adam. You know, I can really get use of working from home.
You know, Chris, I could see what you were doing this whole time.
What? Really?